We got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning example of a 1956 Ford F100, restored, upgraded with late model drivetrain, 4.6 liter Triton, 4-speed automatic, power disc brakes, power steering, cold AC, tilt, 17-inch aluminum wheels to look like the old Steely dummies. Just a super cool truck. Super cool truck. Get in and drive this thing anywhere. I'm telling you. You'll be able to find close to 100 pictures at Westport Auto Center, www.westportautocenter.com. If you want to pick up the phone and talk to somebody in person, be more than happy to talk with you, answer any questions I can. My name is Mark, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Again, I'm by myself today. I don't have my video partner. So any of the pictures you'll be able to see will be online. Again, there'll be 75 to 100 of those. Got the halo halogen style headlights on this. Just a super neat truck. Truck was restored a while ago, still shows extremely well. There are a couple small chips, a couple right there, a few imperfections. Truck's been driven, so we got a couple little imperfections right there. But overall, really nice truck. Something you get in and enjoy. This truck was built to show and go and enjoy with the upgraded modern drivetrain. Another little imperfection there. Little one there. Couple tiny ones, and I'm being picky, but truck shows extremely well. Look at these cool wheels. This truck was restored prior to us getting it. Again, there's a couple little chips here and there. There's a little imperfection in the paint. We got a little crack in the paint there, teeny one there. Still shows extremely well. This is not a 100-point show truck, but it's a truck that shows extremely well, if that makes sense. Just a super cool truck. Nicely done. It's been driven, it's been used, it's been enjoyed by the previous owner. Another little imperfection there. You know, if you had a small trailer, it's got the trailer hitch. Teeny little chip there. We just got this in. We do have some matching touch-up paint, so we'll go over any of these smaller touch-ups or spots, address those, but there's a couple there and there, just again from being driven. But what can I say, just a super cool truck. Teeny one there. Nice straight truck, great stance. You know, the chrome, the trim, the bright work on it is nice. I missed that one. There's a teeny chip there and a teeny chip there. Does have remote power locks. So the doors are nice. The bottoms of the doors are nice. Jams are nice. Interior is nice. Glove box, got my camera in there. automatically pulls back up. You got your radio, I mean cold AC, tilt wheel, cool steering wheel, seat belts for your safety. Just a cool truck. Said you do have the remote with the locks. Cab corners are nice. Just a cool truck. Take it for a spin. Fuel injected, gotta love it. Hot summer days, you gotta love that AC. Truck does have electronic overdrive in it. You can leave it on, you can turn it off. It is a 4-speed automatic. 93,000 miles on the drivetrain, not on the truck. This was a donor drivetrain from an F150. They built this cool truck. Fabricated the dash. Tilt wheel over there. What's there not to like? Love these 50s F100. If you want to fly in and check it out in person, more than happy to pick you up at the airport, fly into Lambert, St. Louis International. They're one and the same. Just forward us your itinerary. We'll take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, check out any vehicle you like, take it for a ride, put it up on the rack, make sure it's a good fit for you. If you need financing, we have financing. Great terms, great rates, very competitive. So don't think you need to have it. Cash in the bank, all the money in the bank to buy the truck or car. So we've got financing for all your needs. Cool truck. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Find all the pictures. Please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Leave your comments below. Love to hear it. Call 314-346-309. Bad boy gets up and goes. Just a fun truck. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. You'll see the full written description and most importantly, the sale price. And this is a heck of a vehicle. It's going to be offered at a fraction of what it would cost to restore. And if you'd like to call 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll answer any questions I can. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.